Hi folks, this is Murtuza here. In this video I want to show you how you must set a goal, how you should set a goal and how you can go about reverse engineering your goal. So you know exactly what you have to do and you get the exact plan that you have to execute in order to fulfill your goal, okay, in order to reach your goal. So let's get started. So what we'll be discussing in this video is reverse engineering the goal, okay. That is reverse engineer your goal. Okay, so let's assume that your goal is to make $10,000 per month. This is your goal, okay, that you want to reach. So let's look at how you can go about reverse engineering this goal, okay, so that you know the exact plan that you must have in order to shoot this goal, okay. So let's get started. The first thing you have to keep in mind is that to make money you really have to sell something, okay. Either you sell your products or you have some services to sell. So there is no other way to make money. You sell something, you sell your products or you sell your services, okay, whatever it is, but you will have to sell. So in order to achieve $10,000 goal, I will assume that I'll have to create few products, okay. So let's assume that I will have to create a $10 product, okay. Then I will have to create, let's say, a $100 product, okay. Then I will have to create a product with price tag $1,000, okay. So this $10 product might be a small video training package, okay. Let's say it's a 1 hour audio training, okay. Then this $100 might be 3 hours of videos. Then $1,000 might be a coaching program. Then probably I might have something like a $5,000 product, which is probably a done for you service. Done for you service, where I'm giving a service to my subscribers, where I'm doing most of the stuff for them, okay. So this is a done for you service. Now I have to figure out how many sales I have to make for these products in order to fulfill my $10,000 goal, okay. So let's assume that I have to get 1,000 leads into my sales funnel. This is my sales funnel, and I have to get 1,000 leads in my sales funnel so that people check out all these products, okay. So 10% of these people will go about buying the $10 product. So if 10% of these people buy this $10 product, then I will have approximately 100 sales, okay. So this will end up making me $1,000, okay. So for this $10 product I have to shoot a conversion rate of 10%, okay. This product conversion rate should be 10%. So if this product's conversion rate is 10%, then 10% of the 1,000 leads, that is 100 people, will end up buying this $10 product, which will make me $1,000. Now the next thing I have to do is, let's say 10% of these 100 people buy this $100 product, okay. So 10% of these guys end up buying my $100 product. This is again making me $1,000, okay. So again, for this $100 product, okay, 10% of my customers are buying this product, okay. So this is $1,000. Now let's assume that out of these 10 people, one person ends up buying this $1,000 coaching program. So that's again making me $1,000, okay. Now let's assume that 1% out of these 1,000 leads end up buying this done for you service. So I'll just make it again 1. This is making me $5,000. So till now I have reached a stage where I've got 5, 6, 7, 8, $8,000 in my sales funnel. Okay, these are the assumptions which I am doing from the starting point. Okay, it's not that I'll be getting the same conversions, but I have to put something in place so that I know exactly what kind of focus I have to put in and what kind of products and systems I have to create to reach my $10,000 goal. Okay, so these are the assumptions, okay, we have to put in place before we get started. So now we have 5, 6, 7, $8,000 in place. We need more, another $2,000, okay, so that we can touch the income goal of $10,000 per month. So for this, probably you can go about creating a consultation package. Okay, so let's say $200. So you can create a 10 hours consultation package. Okay, and 1 hour you charge, let's say $200. So you are charging $200 per hour. Okay, so that's $2,000. So 200 multiplied by 10 is $2,000. Okay, so this is a $2,000 consultation package, and you get again one person subscribing and getting your consultation package worth 10 hours of consultation package. Okay, so what you have done basically right now is you have assumed that you will get 1,000 leads in your funnel, and out of these 1,000 leads, 10% people will buy your $10 product. Then out of these, 10% will buy your $100 product. Then 10% will again end up buying your $1,000 product, and you will be getting one sale out of each of these high ticket products. That's $1,000, $5,000 and $10,000. So if you add up all these 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, you are reaching a goal of $10,000. Now you have to assume that what you will have to do to get these 1,000 leads in your sales funnel. Okay, now to get these 1,000 leads in your sales funnel, probably you will have to get 10,000 visitors on your website, and these 10,000 visitors are landing up on your squeeze page. Okay, so 10% of them convert into leads, so you get 1,000 leads in your sales funnel. So we are reverse engineering what we have to do. Now we have to think about what we will have to do to get 10,000 visitors on our website. So again, we are reverse engineering, and we might think that to get this, probably I will have to set up a SEO campaign with probably 1,000 articles on my website. This is an assumption. Okay, probably I will have to put in some paid ads, probably Google paid ads, or some paid ads in some forum, some high traffic forum in my niche. Okay, so let's say I'm targeting these two things, that is SEO and paid ads. Okay, to get 10,000 visitors to my website. Okay, so this is the kind of reverse engineering that I am doing to reach my $10,000 goal. Okay, so now I will get started with the exact work. Okay, because now I have the entire blueprint, the entire plan of what I have to do exactly so that I can positively reach $10,000 goals. Okay, so I will get started with a website, a squeeze page. Okay, then I'll start driving traffic to my website using SEO and paid ads. Okay, and I'll make sure that my squeeze pages on my websites convert at 10%. So this will be my first goal, that my squeeze pages should convert at 10%. Okay, so if this happens, then I'm reaching your 1,000 leads per month. And when this happens, then I have to make sure that all these products get created, okay, the way they are. And once they are created, I have to make sure that their conversion rates are in the proportion of what it's looking right now. So from leads to this $10 product, there has to be 10% conversion rate. Then only I'll be selling 100 products. Then from this front end customer to the second level product in the sales funnel, again my conversion rate has to be approximately 10%. Then from second to third, again my conversion rate has to be approximately 10%. Okay, so at every point my conversion rate has to be approximately 10%. If it is 10%, then I am shooting my goal of $10,000 per month. So I have a plan and I have some specific targets and goals to achieve to reach that goal. So when this happens, what basically happens is that I am making $10,000 from 1,000 leads. That is, I am making approximately $10, okay, per lead. This is approximately $10 revenue per lead. Okay, 1,000 leads are making me $10,000. I am making $10 revenue per lead. Now I can go back and I can actually place more paid advertisements, and I can actually target in getting more leads at approximately $1 to $2. Okay, I can even spend $2, $3 to get more leads into my funnel, and this will keep increasing my traffic and sales. So this is how you have to reverse engineer your goal. And when you do this, you have a plan, and not necessarily that this plan will be exactly the way it is looking like right now. Let's say you got 1,000 leads to your funnel and you're making, let's say, $5,000. Let's assume you are making 5,000, but that's okay. Then you have a plan. You know that you have to get now 2,000 leads to make $10,000. So at least you have a blueprint to get started with. Okay, when you reverse engineer your goal, and when you get started with that blueprint, then you know exactly what steps you have to take and what are the systems and what are the components you have to create so that you can touch your goal very soon. So I hope you have got great value watching this video. And by the way, if you want my one-on-one help in building your online business, you want my one-on-one consultation where I'll be sitting with you for 7 days one-on-one, okay, and that is approximately 35 hours, and train you to build your online business. Plus I and my team will do all the business development work for you. We will create your website, squeeze pages, sales funnels, everything, okay, and emails and everything we'll be creating for you. So if you want this kind of service, you want from me, okay, all this done for you service as well as the consultation package, make sure you click on the link right below this video. I'll be giving more information about the one-on-one consultation and the done for you service. And I hope you have got great value watching this video, and make sure you reverse engineer your goal. Take a pen and paper and start reverse engineering your goal, and I'm sure you will have a blueprint in place that you can get started with. So with this, I'll end up this video, and have a great day. Goodbye.